You're bidding on a LISTA cabinet. This is a 7-drawer. The top 4 are 3-inch. Then you have 2 5-inch and 1 7-inch. They're full suspension. 28.5 wide, 28.5 deep. It's 42 inches tall with the base. Base and legs. Pretty nice cabinet. It's loaded with stuff. You want to do the top one first?
Okay, okay.
Here, all the way out. These are little set screws and slot nuts and a bunch of stuff here. Looks like it's all inventoried. It's too much stuff for us to try and sell. Here's whatever this book is. I don't know. Okay, let's do drawer number 2. The standard screws. This got nice inventory. They're not giant screws, but they're flatheads and pretty nice. This is drawer number 2. Standard tube fittings. Drawer number 2.
3.
Oh, drawer number 3, yeah. These are lamps and fuses. Lamps and fuses. Lamps and fuses. Okay, next drawer. This says metric fittings. Those look like light bulbs to me. I don't see no metric. Oh, these could be metric fittings here. Yeah, metric fittings. Yeah, they're different colors. This came out of a closed plant. Okay. Next drawer says it doesn't. Just miscellaneous stuff. I don't know what this is. That looks like a nut splitter, but I wouldn't. Well, at any rate, that's the next drawer. And the bottom is empty. Full suspension. It's got like a linoleum top. I got it glued down. Not all beat out. I don't know if you can see the back. I guess we should have had this. It's pretty clean. I mean, we didn't wash it. It'll clean up. It's not all dinged out. Full suspension, nice depth, good inventory of nuts and bolts and fittings. This is what it is. You can pick it up at our Farmington Hills location, or we can ship it wrapped, strapped, and palletized. Your choice. That's what it is. Good luck bidding.